While you know that I do publish every here and there the map of AI. This is supposed to give you a little bit of insights on where we are and a bit of a snapshot of the current AI landscape that moves fairly quick. And I would say 2026 has confirmed that things are like moving even quicker. Right now, one thing that I'd like to for you to bring, home in terms of learnings is that really this stack is expanding, not shrinking, meaning that right now we are looking at 7 layers that go really from the hardware part up to what I call here the governance part. And I would say, interestingly enough, especially when last year many people were saying that we are getting almost to the saturation of the AI velocity. Well, 2026 has proved that this view was completely wrong. Even more, I argue, the Anthropic race and gap and Anthropic becoming super popular when people that have been following it since the release in 2023 have known that there was something about Claude and where Anthropic